My last vacation. Hello, partner. In my last vacation, I was visiting my family. They have a house in the countryside where there is a river and very beautiful waterfall. The water is beautiful. I was there with my wife and my children, as it was the end of the year. We made custard and fritters. We had a very good vacation. In my last vacation, I visited the waterfall of the Jupiter River. I was visiting my family. I, I shared with my family. I taught my children to respect the animal. The picture is beautiful. We went to wade in the river. Cher visited the countryside. You sure know the Maceo waterfall. They sure visited the countryside more. When you travel to the countryside, you must tell your document. You sure travel to the countryside. It's, it's very economical. You have to read for right. Thank you.